In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the announcement bar color in Shopify, including how to add a gradient effect. Customizing your announcement bar can help your store better match your brand style and attract more attention to important messages. So let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to Pastebin or the page containing the custom CSS code you want to use. Once the page loads, copy the CSS code carefully because you'll need to paste it into your Shopify theme files. Next, log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're inside the dashboard, look toward the left side menu and click on Online Store. Now locate your active Shopify theme. Next to the active theme, click the three dots menu and then select Edit Code. This will open the Shopify code editor where you can customize your store styling. Inside the code editor, look toward the left sidebar and locate the search bar. Type base.css into the search field and open the base.css file from the results. This file controls many of the styling settings for your Shopify theme, including announcement bar customization. Once the file opens, scroll all the way to the bottom of the code. Now paste the CSS code you copied earlier directly at the end of the file. Adding the code at the bottom helps ensure your custom styling overrides the default Shopify styles. After pasting the code, click Save to apply your changes. This step is important because your announcement bar customization will not appear unless the changes are saved properly. Once saved, click Exit or return to your Shopify storefront. Now refresh your store page and check the announcement bar at the top of the website. You should now see your updated announcement bar color or gradient effect applied successfully. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to change the announcement bar color in Shopify. Thanks for watching and goodbye.